Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we're creating a peaceful spring meadow landscape filled with colorful wildflowers, soft clouds, and fresh spring greens. Before we begin, please pause the video and gather your supplies. Everything you'll need is listed in the description below. Once you're ready, let's get started. Begin by squeezing small amounts of cobalt blue, sky blue, titanium white, burnt umber, and sap green directly onto the canvas in the pattern shown. Using a slightly damp large flat brush, start blending the colors from top to bottom using horizontal strokes. Work slowly and allow the colors to merge naturally. Continue blending until the sky transitions smoothly into the land area below. Take your time with this step, as a calm and even background will help the rest of the painting feel balanced. Next, load a Filbert brush with titanium white. Begin creating clouds in the upper portion of the sky. Use gentle tapping and small circular motions to build soft cloud shapes. Blend some edges lightly into the sky while leaving other areas thicker and brighter. This helps the clouds feel natural and dimensional. Now load the same brush with light green paint. Paint a horizontal line where the sky meets the land. Then softly blend downward to create the meadow base. Next, we'll begin creating the wildflowers. Bundle several cotton bud sticks together using thread or a rubber band. Dip the tips into purple and white paint. Using a tapping motion, begin stamping flowers across the meadow. Keep the flowers smaller near the horizon and gradually make them larger toward the foreground to create depth. Leave small spaces between clusters so the green background remains visible. Continue varying the color balance. Some flowers can be mostly white, others more purple, creating a natural and lively meadow. Next, use the same cotton bud technique to add yellow flowers in some of the open spaces between the purple blossoms. Now switch to a liner brush loaded with black paint. Add small dotted centers to the purple flowers. For the yellow flowers, use crimson paint to create the flower centers instead of black. Using the same liner brush, add a few additional crimson flowers in the meadow. Use small tapping strokes to form the basic petal shapes, then add tiny white details to the centers. Next, paint thin flower stems using diluted black paint. Finally, add light green grass strokes throughout the meadow using your liner brush. Keep the strokes loose and varied so the field feels natural and full of movement. Step back, make any final adjustments to balance the colors and spacing of the flowers, and allow your painting to dry completely. Great work today, and thank you for painting with Acrylic Arts Academy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more easy, relaxing painting lessons every week. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone. And if you're ready to continue learning with us beyond today's tutorial, you're always welcome to explore our free challenges and our full Paint Your Own Happiness program at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you so much for painting with us. We can't wait to see what you create next.